Morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Siddharpeetham Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now many persons are asking about Sivaratri celebrations. This year March 11th Sivaratri is coming. So this is Maha Sivaratri. There is also monthly Sivaratri. Every month you are having Sivaratri. Just like monthly Ekadashi, which is famous for Mahavishnu, Sivaratri is also coming every month. So Sivaratri is best for conducting all-night prayers. Other religious people are having all-night prayers. The Hindus devote certain days for night prayers. Navaratri. Navaratri is famous. 9 nights are famous for Shaktipat Upasana. 3 days for Saraswati, 3 days for Vishnu, and 3 days for Durga. The same way, annually 1 day is famous for Sivaratri, Maha Sivaratri. This is very sincere. One should follow austerity, piety, and adhere to strict discipline, and conduct pujas for 4-time pujas and the night of Sivaratri. 6:30 one should conduct Shiva Puja with the Shivalinga and Nataraja idols, and they can conduct different kinds of Abhisheka. And what are the Abhisheka which are famous, and what kind of Abhisheka will give what kind of benefit, and what sort of flowers should be used, what is the benefit of this, what kind of Naivedya should be used for each and each puja, all are described in Shiva Agamas. Evening 6:30 there will be one puja, and in 9:30 at 9:30 at night then there will be the next puja. At 12:30 the other puja, midnight puja, and 4:30 another puja will be there. So these pujas have different significance. So those who want to get benefit of this Shiva puja should wake all through the night and conduct Shiva pujas. Then only they will get benefit. The Billu Archana and the different kinds of Archana and Abhisheks, they give rewards for your penance. But nowadays some yoga teachers claiming to be Satgurus or something, they claim themselves. They misdirect people. They divert the attention of the people. They make Sivaratri merry-making, just like New Year celebration. The persons, they receive huge donations and organize dance programs, music programs, and all make it merry-making all through that night. It is sinful. It is sinful. It is not a place or time for merry-making. So, converting the Sivaratri, the very sincere and devout and all pious night into a merry-making night, it is a sinful act done by some heinous teachers, yoga teachers, claiming to be gurus, Sadgurus. Though, so it is, if they should direct all the Saiva mutts in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, conduct severe pujas. Shiva pujas, they last long for up to 2 hours. If they start Shiva puja at 6:30, it will last for 8:30. Shivalinga, Abhishekam and puja, chanting of mantras, all these, they conduct for 2 hours from 6:30 to 8:30. Before they should take bath. They have to wear holy ash and sit for Shiva puja. They will sit in group, and the Guruji will direct them to conduct this Shiva puja. After that, at night 9:30 also they should conduct that next puja. Before that, again they take bath, conduct this Abhisheka and all these things, and conduct this Bilvarchana and Naivedyam of different types. That puja also lasts for 2 hours. After that, 9:30, 12:30 they are conducting the puja. A lot of people waiting in the temples or mutts, they conduct puja at 12:30 to 2:30. It will continue. Before that, again they have to take bath, sit for Shiva Puja, Abhisheka, Alangara, and they have to do. After that, then 4:30 early morning, they get up and start this puja again for 2 hours. It continues. So it is a serious. One have to be very serious about that puja, Shiva Puja. Shiva Puja on the Mahashivratri day is very useful. It gives thousandfold benefits than the other days. There are many Puranas how the Shivaratri day is on that day which Shiva appeared on the Shivalinga, Lingodbhava. It is on that day Parashiti conducted penance and obtained jnana and union with Shiva. And different guys, Puranas are there. So diverting the people, making them irreligious, making them merrymaking, making them just like a New Year celebration, misguiding people is sinful. Not only sinful for those who get that the yoga teacher, it also, which people, the common people don't know. They just follow the Guruji. The Gurujis are misdirected. They don't follow any agamic rules. They are violation. They are violating agamas. Even the Shivalinga formation by done that particular Gurujis are wrong. The Shivalinga and the Auda, the female part, he is holding some snake around that linga instead of the Shakti Pidam or Audai Baham. So gross violations by some yoga teachers claiming to be Gurujis spending too much over advertisement, collecting too much donation, misdirecting people is wrong. So people should be careful to don't fall in the net of these people that teachers. Make Shivaratri day very, very famous, very, very sincere, and make pujas, conduct pujas, get maximum benefit out of it. So Shivaratri is not for merrymaking. It is for all night prayer, continuous prayer, chanting of mantras, chanting of conducting prayers, Shiva puja. Don't these yogis are actually befooling the sincerity and the severity, misdirecting people in the Kali Yuga, claiming to be the good teachers. So the people should be very careful not to go after these misdirecting, misguiding Gurujis, and do all serious pujas all through the night, minimum 4 times as prescribed, and meditate and chant mantras, etc. Don't make it a merrymaking. Thank you.